Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories. So if that is your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, you'll know when I upload a new video. So this is the unboxing of the item that I bought when I went to Fendi at Harrods a little while ago for the fragrance event. Now I showed you the fragrance I bought on that video and the potpourri that was made for me, choosing ingredients and the fragrances that I particularly wanted. Here's the potpourri. You might have seen on the thumbnail of that. By the time I did the thumbnail I put it in a little pot. Here's the potpourri in a little jar, and oh, it smells lovely. I've had it in my bedroom. It still smells really nice. Yeah, so I'm very pleased to have that. It looks very pretty and it smells lovely. So if you haven't seen that vlog, I will link it down below. Please check it out. But you'll see that I made another purchase. Now I tried on some amazing bags, ready to wear, shoes in that vlog, and I did buy something. I was very tempted to buy everything. I mean, I tried on some beautiful items and I'm still dreaming about those things now. I couldn't buy it all. I had to leave some stuff behind, unfortunately. If money were no object, they would have all been coming home with me. But I had to be good. I had to just, as I say, leave some things behind, but I couldn't resist this particular purchase. It's in a great big bag because I had my fragrance in here as well. But if I take what's in the bag out, you will see it is a box. And those of you in the know will know what kind of box it is. It obviously isn't the coat. I did leave that behind, sadly. I really wanted to get that coat, but not at the moment. Maybe. I'm still not ruling it out completely. But I did get this instead. So let's have no more preamble and get straight into it. There are 2 dust bags nestled there in the box that Valentina put together for me, and in the dust bags, as I'm sure you can guess, are yet another pair. Yes, I've done it again. Another pair of Fendi Calibris. So here we go. Let's get the other one out as well, out of this dust bag. These are the Fendi Calibri lights. So these are called lights because they're slightly different from the other Calibris that I have. Well, I do have one pair of Fendi Calibri lights already, the ones I have in the gold, which have got the higher heel. So I got these beauties, very pretty Fendi Calibris, Calibri lights in the sort of burgundy and kind of olive green with a little touch of baby pink and beige as well, and cream, I think, dark brown. Oh, there's quite a few colours there, but obviously the primary colour of the shoes is burgundy. If I just take one here, you'll see it has the small heel, very much kitten heel, and it's got the elastic across the foot there, and it's got the little cushion at the back. So very similar to the normal Calibris, but these are called Calibri Light because this elastic across here is much thinner, and you have a very much thinner heel. You have a much chunkier heel on the other Calibris. This is very much a little kitten heel. As I say, I have one pair of Calibri lights. They have the higher heel there in the gold. I bought them for a special occasion, a wedding, but I wasn't able to wear them to the wedding for various reasons. I have actually worn them. They did feature on a video earlier in the year where I said where I talked about some luxury items I hadn't worn. Over the summer I had a few parties to go to, and I did actually wear my Calibri lights over the summer this year, so I'm really pleased to have actually worn those. These, I don't think I'm going to have any issues wearing these because they are the lower heel. These are just absolutely perfect, you know, for work, for other occasions. I will probably get more wear out of these. Also, they're obviously not an occasion colour, they're a much more everyday colour. They're burgundy, one of my favourite winter colours. I've got my burgundy sequin baguette. That was one of the things that kind of sold me on these because I thought, oh, I can wear them with my burgundy sequin baguette. And they've got olive green, as I say, baby pink. They've got a lot of other lovely colours that, you know, I have in my wardrobe, so I know that I will be able to get some wear out of these. So yeah, so these are my Calibri lights. I love the fact that at the back you can just see there, it's kind of like a little checkered pattern on the back pad there. So yeah, yeah, I just thought these were beautiful. Now I got them in a size 39. Some of my Calibris with the lower heel are a 39.5, but I've actually found this year that really, because the elastic gives a little bit as you wear them, that I'm better off with a size 39. And I did actually try the 39.5. They felt actually quite big already when I put them on, but as soon as I put the 39s on, they just fitted like a glove. They felt so comfortable and they fitted really nicely. I tried the flats of these on because they've actually got these totally flat, no heel at all, and originally I thought, oh, maybe I'll get those because it would be nice to have some Calibri flats. I tried them on and I just felt my feet looked dreadful in them. They were just too flat. I felt that to wear this style of shoe I needed a little heel. The flats just didn't look right. Funnily enough, there was a woman sitting opposite me when I was first looking at these. She was trying on the flats as well, and she actually bought the flats. They looked really, really good on her. They just suited her and looked better. On me, they didn't suit me. I needed the pair with the heels. So yeah, so I decided to get these. I will confess that when this pattern came out in the mini baguette, because they do a mini baguette in this pattern, I was really, really tempted. It came out roughly the same time as my raffia regular size baguette. It might have even been the same drop, I'm not sure, or it was just after. I was so tempted, but I couldn't justify getting the raffia baguette and a mini baguette round about the same time. I knew I would use the raffia baguette, and I have used it a lot. I used it a ton over the summer. I used it, you know, my trip to New York. I've used it quite a bit since. It's only recently, since we've had dreadful weather here in the UK, rain all the time, have I sort of put it away and not been using it. But I knew I would use that baguette. I loved this one and I was so tempted, but I couldn't really justify it. And I also thought I might have trouble styling it because, as you know, I do wear a lot of patterns, and I just thought having a bag with this kind of pattern on might be more of a challenge to style with patterned outfits than just having the shoes, because I quite often wear pattern tops but a plain coloured skirt, plain coloured trousers, so I could get away with the shoes being patterned as well. The bag being patterned, I thought I might have a little bit more of a challenge styling it. But then again, I do have a lot of khaki in my wardrobe, so, you know, it would have gone with that. But yeah, now am I talking myself back into it? I think it's still available. I don't know. Anyway, I've got the shoes. I really loved this pattern, this style. And so yeah, I've got the shoes now in it. So I've actually got a piece of that particular pattern, but in shoes rather than in a bag. And I think, in all honesty, I will probably get more use out of the shoes and be able to style them more effectively than if I had the bag. But yeah, you know, we say these things on YouTube and then, you know, next week I'm buying the bag. But I don't think I'll get that bag. I think I will stick with the shoes. I don't think I will get that bag. But yeah, I was tempted. I protest too much, don't I? But yeah, so anyway, I had a great day with Fendi and Valentina. We had such a lovely day together. Check out my vlog if you haven't. But here is the other purchase I made along with the perfume. I was gonna leave these and maybe wait a few weeks or, you know, a little bit, but they're seasonal. I love them so much. I just thought, yeah, I need to take them. It's very possible these might end up in Bicester over the next few months and probably be reduced, but I just didn't want to take the risk of missing out on them, so I did decide to buy them there and then and bring them home. Yeah, just a shame I couldn't bring home all the other lovely things that I liked on the day. So let me know what you think to those. Yet another pair of Calibris, I know. I really am a one-trick pony when it comes to shoes, aren't I? I have actually purchased some other luxury shoes recently, which are not by Fendi, they are other brands. So I will get around to filming a reveal of those as soon as I can. So yeah, it might be refreshing for you to see me showing you some luxury shoes that are not Fendi Calibris. But yes, for the time being, I am still very much on the Calibri train. Absolutely love them, wear them so much. And if Fendi keep bringing out beautiful Calibris, I will keep buying them. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And yeah, thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.